Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Roku Ultra Voice Remote Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To set up your Roku Ultra Voice Remote, begin by unboxing your remote and Roku Ultra device. Connect your Roku Ultra to your TV using the HDMI cable included in the package. Ensure the Roku Ultra is plugged into a power source using the power adapter provided. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that corresponds to your Roku Ultra. Insert the batteries into your Roku voice remote, ensuring the positive and negative ends align correctly. Once the batteries are in, press the home button on the remote to power it on. Your Roku Ultra will display an on-screen setup guide. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the Roku Ultra will download any available software updates. Once the updates are installed, you will be prompted to log into your Roku account or create a new one. After logging in, the setup will continue, and your channels will be downloaded. To pair your voice remote with the Roku Ultra, press and hold the pairing button located in the battery compartment for a few seconds. Wait for the pairing status indicator to flash, indicating that the remote is attempting to connect. Once successfully paired, you will see a message on the screen confirming the pairing. Now you can start using the voice remote to control your Roku Ultra. Simply press the voice button and say your command to search for shows, movies, or channels. Explore the features and settings within the Roku interface to customize your viewing experience. Your Roku Ultra voice remote is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.